going on YouTube, back with another video. So I've been on the fence about this one for a couple weeks now, but I'm finally gonna go ahead and do it today. So today I will be tinting my front windshield. I have a feeling I might regret it because I already can't really see shit. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got the tint, we got the car wash. Definitely a productive day. So yeah, this is my side tint. Can't really see anything, as you can see. And now the front windshield tint. I honestly love it. I think it looks pretty dope. So far, driving it right now throughout the day, I really like it because I haven't needed to wear my sunglasses, and I feel like the glare of the sun hasn't been so bad. It is pretty dark though, not gonna lie. I mean, right now I can't tell much because it's still obviously daylight out, but I think at night it's gonna be pretty bad. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna show you guys a video of me driving without the windshield tint at night, and then compare it to driving with the windshield tint at night. It's definitely gonna be a difference, but I mean, at least throughout the day, I really like how it looks. I mean, to show you how dark it is, I don't know if you guys can see like the SS through the tint, but you can barely see it. Before you used to be able to see it pretty good, but now you can't see it as much. But I mean, yeah, so far I'm pretty happy. So just stay tuned, guys, and we'll see how we'll pick up this video at nighttime. Tinting my front windshield isn't gonna be the smartest idea, but it's okay. I'll live to regret it. So man, there's already times where I feel like I can't see shit. It's only gonna get worse. So much fun. This is how I practice racing sometimes. Just race by myself. race. Just race myself. That light was gonna turn yellow, so I sped up a little bit. He's far. Alright guys, so it's the moment of truth. It's not too bad right now. I kind of expected it to be worse than this, but we're gonna go ahead and do some driving and see how bad this really is. But I mean, it's pretty dark here. There's only like one light on and my headlights are on, but it's not that bad now. Let's take it off for a spin and see how bad it is. It's really not bad. Before I got my windows tinted, my windshield tinted, I heard people saying that it's like wearing sunglasses at night, but I mean, as you guys can see, it's pitch black here and I can see perfectly fine. I mean, I don't know if it's probably dark for you guys, but for me, I mean, this is fine. This is drivable. I honestly thought I was gonna have to drive with my windows down, but it's really not that bad. I mean, even here, like, the street is pretty dark. It's just a street light. That's fine. I guess since I'm so used to like these windows that I can't see shit out of, this one really isn't that bad. And the Jeep Cross has pretty bright headlights, and I mean, it doesn't seem to be bothering me. So, wow, look at that. I'm pretty surprised. I honestly thought by now I was gonna be hating my life, but no. Definitely seems like it was worth it. Yeah, so far not that bad. Getting into these streets that have some light, it's a little better. The Honda Accord was riding me like he was gonna try to race me. I'm not about to waste my gas with that. I'll race my gas for a light before I race my gas trying to race him. Oh, it is raining, so I'll get my first dose of the tint with the rain. I thought that was really when I was gonna regret it, when it started raining. Still really isn't that bad. I mean, I know it's only like a little sprinkle, but it's really not that bad. My heads-up display does look a little brighter though, which I think is pretty awesome too. Yeah, so like I said, I mean, it could look super dark to you guys, but to me, it really isn't that bad. I was expecting a lot worse than this, to be honest. And I know a few people that, like, I saw a video on somebody that got 40%, and he was saying that it was super dark, but I got 35 and it really doesn't feel that bad. Like I said, it could be just because I'm used to just having super dark tints overall that like I said, compared to this to that, it's really not that bad, but this is honestly bearable. Even in the rain, like, I've driven down streets already that are super dark and it's not bad at all. And I mean, maybe in a few weeks I might feel differently, but as of right now, I can honestly say it's really, I mean, I doubt I'll change my mind, but it's really, really worth it, to be honest. Besides, like, you know, not being able to look inside my car, because I don't like people looking inside my car. I have my radar there, and I would hate the fact that I always see back in, I park in reverse everywhere I go. So I would sometimes hate the fact that I would be like at work or something, and you know, I would have to take my radar off because I didn't want the sun to fry it and shit. But yeah, like, my car was sitting earlier because I got my car back like around 2, and then like I washed it and all that, so it was sitting a few hours in the sun when I got back in it, and it really wasn't hot. So that definitely did make a difference. I mean, it's just like regular tints. If you get regular tint on your car, it's gonna help out with the sun. So that, I mean, I've already passed a few cars that have bright lights, and it really has minimal effect on me before, you know, it fucking blind the shit out of me. But, you know, even with the rain, I mean, I know it's a light little sprinkle, but that wasn't bad either. And I mean, here, these are how our streets normally are. They're pretty much lit up, and I mean, as you guys can see, it's perfectly fine here. I'm honestly very surprised. I thought I was gonna have to go through like, shut up. I thought I was gonna have to go through like a period where, you know, I'd have to get used to it and I'd be blind for a few weeks, but no. This is really not that bad. Oh, see, I'm about to get on the turnpike now. We'll see how that is, since there's a little less light than these streets. I wish I could give you guys some pulls right now, but it's pretty wet out, and as it is, I already spin pretty bad. This rain will definitely make it worse. Oh, fuck it, let's see how bad it really is. Yeah, I definitely can't go full throttle when it's raining. I was already slipping. But yeah, even on the turnpike, it really isn't bad either. Well, guys, I'm proud to say I didn't regret this decision, and everything turned out good. So if you guys are on the fence about tinting your front windshield, I definitely say you should do it. I got 35%, and I feel like this is perfect for me. It's not too dark, it's not too light. I've seen other cars that I heard that they got it like, you know, 40% or something lower than that. I mean, something higher than that, and they said that they ended up regretting it and they wanted to redo it and get it a little darker. But to me, this is absolutely perfect. Obviously, I'm sure that when it's raining and it's, you know, pouring down, it might suck a little bit, but I mean, this is pretty good to me. This does not bother me whatsoever. Pretty dark over here to see how it looks. Yeah, still looks fine. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.